The divergence between the Dow Jones and Nasdaq yesterday, the 11th of November 2025, seemed to be suggesting that early signs of profit taking are emerging as it concerns the chip and AI stocks, including NVDA, LRCX, WDC, and MRVL. Okay, so while the Dow surged higher, the Nasdaq traded lower, indicating a market in sector rotation and short-term rebalancing. It's looking increasingly clear that the setup of the cheaper and AI stocks is starting to show subtle signs of strain. Although they still remain in stronger primary and intermediate uptrends, early signs of profit taking are emerging, and there's also you may have heard, about the concerns that they are all overvalued and much more. So we will have a look at NVIDIA, Lam Research, Marvel, and WDC. So we'll begin with NVIDIA. They all closed down yesterday. NVIDIA lost 2.9%. All of them lost, some they lost some ground yesterday. But NVIDIA seemed to be recovering some of those losses. As you can see, up 1.22%. Okay, so this is the pre-market session of Wednesday, the 12th of November. Okay, so this is what we are looking at right now. So the extrapolation is saying that Nvidia is going to break through the 40-day moving average. So, but before this, it's saying that that will happen. Okay, in this pre-market session. Okay, so yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, just and then after that, it's saying it's going to resume the uptrend. Okay, so that's seemed to be a divergence from what I just read out there now. Okay, we'll see how it goes. So projections are currently saying 200.53, 213.49, 226.69, 234.85. So yeah, but the at the same time, even though the extrapolation is saying that the it's got this bounce that has picked up now will remain in place and at least up till the 16th of November. I mean, up to the 20th of November. Momentum seems to be, especially up till tomorrow. Tomorrow, the 13th, seems to be suggesting that it's not going to support. It's not going to be, if anything, this bounce up till tomorrow. Tomorrow's for the whole of today, going into tomorrow's pre-market session, it's not supported by any strong momentum at all. As a matter of fact, the momentum is not there as well. Momentum for Nvidia on its 10 period moving average is to the downside, nothing to the upside. So caution is warranted here. This is skeptical. Yeah, I have to say it's skeptical. I mean, there's we have to hold you have to hold this with a pinch of salt. So the critical projection is 200.55. It is if it's able to retest it, then there's a good chance it might go ahead and print 202.03, and indeed probably even advance towards its all-time high of 209.17. Okay, let's see what we have for LRCX. LRCX is still down 3.41%. Okay, intraday high yesterday, yeah, on Monday the 10th, 167.20. LRCX, LRCX. Let's see what we have. Okay, here the extrapolation is saying that it's going to the contraction will resume, yeah, will continue and trade below and yeah, and then consolidate below its 40 period moving average, and then attempt to break away from the resistance of its 40 period moving average. Okay, so contraction, a distributive what rather a consolidation, a distributive consolidation. Yeah, it's expected to play out up till the 20th of November. Okay, so in the interim, it's projected, or yeah, extrapolated that it's going to trade below its 40 period moving average. It could defy it as well. It could defy that. But if anything, it might be stocks like LRCX that might suffer the most. So Projections out here are currently saying, let's see what we have. 164.97, 169.47, 172.25. Okay, let's have a look at Marvel, MRVL. Marvel is up 1.38%. Let's see what we have here. MRVL. MRVL. Okay, we have underlying trend still bullish as well. Here we have um, it bounces. It has had a bounce, so it's expected that it might break through its 40 period moving average. All right, let's just say that a bounce is expected, and it's expected to remain moderately strong, modestly strong up till the 17th of November. Then after that, a distributive contraction may play out. Okay, so yeah, projections are currently saying 88.07, 81.94, 78.15. Then upper projections 103.47, 110.48, 114.82. Okay, yeah, here momentum is expected to remain weak at least up till the 13th of November. Then after that, they might spike to some extent. Okay, so let's see what we have for um, WDC. WDC up 1.46%. Intraday high yesterday 178.45. Okay, let's see what we have. Yeah, extrapolation is saying that high prices will continue to play out, at least going all the way towards the 20th of November. Okay, and the 40 period moving average may serve as a support. So projections here saying 172.39, 179.87, 184.48. But this strength is not supported by the momentums. Yeah, I think that's a pattern we have. That's a pattern we have. The momentums. Let's review again NVDA to find out what the momentum seems to be suggesting. NVIDIA momentum not strong at all, not in the very short term, up till next week, not strong at all. Let's have a look at LRCX. 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 Yeah, momentum weak as well, but expected to pick up from this Friday. Okay, so LRCX seems to be suggesting it's suggesting a distributive consolidation, and at the same time suggesting strong momentum. Okay, let's have a look and see what we have again for MRVL. MRVL, okay, yeah. Tepid momentum on MRVL as well. Let's see WDC. I think we've seen that already. Yeah, yeah, tepid as well. So NVIDIA, MRVL, and WDC seems to be suggesting um, distributive. Yeah, tepid. Their momentum is not encouraging, not robust. Their momentum forecasts are a bit not ambitious. Yeah, it's suggesting nothing bullish at all. Whereas LRCX is suggesting strong momentum and at the same time suggesting weakness, it's suggesting a distributive contraction. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how all of these pan out. But I think to some extent, the ones that might suffer the most may be LRCX and MRVL. So let's see how it goes. And thank you very much for watching this video.